To my almost husband. I first have to thank COVID-19 for infecting all of our colleagues one by one until there was only the two of us left and I could finally admit what I already knew to be true. You are the one I want to be with.
I know that love can be loud and jubilant. It can be dancing in the swampy mud and the pouring rain at a festival and shouting, "You are amazing!" over the band. It's introducing them to your colleagues at a work event and basking in pride as they make people laugh and make you look lovable just by dint of being loved by them. It's laughing until you wheeze. It's waking up in a country neither of you have been in before. It's skinny dipping at dawn. It's walking along the street together on a Saturday night and feeling an entire city is yours. I also know that love is a pretty quiet thing. It's lying on the sofa together drinking coffee, talking about where you're going to go that morning to drink more coffee. It's folding down pages of books you think they'd find interesting. It's hanging up their laundry when they leave the house having moronically forgotten to take it out the washing machine. It's the text. Hope your day goes well. How did today go? I've been thinking of you today and picked up loo roll. I know that love happens under the splendour of moon and stars and fireworks and sunsets. But it also happens when you're lying on blow-up airbeds in a childhood bedroom, sitting in A&E or in a queue for a passport, or in a traffic jam. Love is a quiet, reassuring, relaxing, pottering, pedantic, harmonious hum of a thing. Something you can easily forget is there, even though its palms are outstretched beneath you, just in case you fall.
Barefoot on the grass, watching the clouds roll in.
We've had adventures we could only have dreamed of, but sitting in a traffic jam on a grey Tuesday morning with you would be better than lying on any white sand beach in the world alone. You elevate my life in every way, and I count myself lucky to have you as the starring role in my best memories. We don't know what the future holds, what your afro will look like when it's grey. But even as a semi-neurotic type A, I've never been more calm about heading into the unknown with you by my side. So I promise to always be your biggest advocate, celebrating when you get through that rubbish day at work. I promise to always give you the pickles from my burger. I promise to hold the passports if you'll get us to where we need to go. I promise to challenge you and learn from you and continue to grow with you. I promise to continue laughing with you, crying with you, and finding joy in the everyday with you. And I promise to always, always make sure that life is an adventure.
Being with you every single day has been an absolute pleasure. You make even the simplest things in life a joy to do. You have the kindest soul I know. You're driven, you're intelligent, you're caring, you're strong, and you're resilient. You're always up for being a little silly and not taking life too seriously, but you also have an incredible ability to just get things done. You're the person I want to spend the rest of my days with. You support me, and you supported me in an incredibly difficult time in my life. I couldn't ask for anyone better to share this incredible adventure of life with. I feel completely honoured and blessed to stand here today and be your husband. You are my favourite person, my best friend, and I could not love anyone the way I love you, Cait. So my last thank you is to you. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for being my unwavering support. Thank you for caring and your beautiful nature. And thank you for bringing the very best out of me. To my beautiful wife, Cait.